Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe. I, Ajit Singh from Colonel's Brighton Public School, will teach you computer of grade 4. So, dear students, this is a part 2 video for the chapter 4 MS Word, more on MS Word 2016. Let's start with the new topic, replacing the text. Besides searching the text, you can also replace the words or phrases with any alternate text. Okay, students, to replace the text, follow the given procedure. Click on the replace button in the editing group on the home tab. The find and replace dialog box appears. In find, what box type text that you want to search for. In the replace with box, enter the new text to replace the existing text जिसे चेंज करना है. Click on the more button to select other option if required. Click on either replace or replace all, find next button as needed, जो भी आपको करना हो. When Word has finished searching for the word and made replacement, a message box appears. एक मैसेज शो होगा. क्लिक ओके, उसे ओके कर दीजिए. Then okay students, there are some tips for you. Replace button changes the searched text with the new text given in replace with text box. Replace all button replaces all the searched text with the new text. Find next button will highlight the text occurrence of the text that it searched. Cancel button is used to close the find and replace dialog box. Okay. Word 2013, you can replace the text in Word 2013 in same ways as you do in a Word 2016. Page formatting, creating header and footer. Let's know how to add header and footer. Header and footer are used to place some information on top and at the bottom of every page respectively. You can include the title, chapter's heading, date, page number, author's name, etc. in this section. The header and footer buttons are found in the header footer group. On the insert tab, click on the header button. Select the edit header option in the drop down menu. Likewise, select the insert, after that footer, edit footer options to display the footer box. Same वैसे ही होता है दोनों का. An additional tab named design will appears on the ribbon under the header and footer tools section. So you will find the header and footer boxes at the top and bottom of each page respectively, separated by dotted lines, and click on the header box and then type the text you want to display here. For example, Kipps Publishing's World on the left side. Press the tab key twice. 2 बार आपको दबानी है. The point will be jump to right side. Click on the date and time button in the insert group on the design tab. The date and time dialog box appears. Choose the desired date and time format. So click OK. Click on the Go to Footer button in the navigation group. The cursor will appear on the left side of the footer section. Press the tab key and the cursor will jump to the center of the page and click on the page number button in the header and footer group and choose the desired format from the drop down list. If you intend to apply specific page number style, then select the format page number option from the drop down menu. The page number format dialog box appears. Define the setting as per is your need and click OK. So, students, click on the close head and footer button on the design tab to come out the head and footer tool sections. Click on the insert tab, select the head and footer group and follow the above given step to apply head and footer in document. Same 2013 में होता है. So setting paragraph spacing. Let us know how to set the paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing is the amount of space above or below paragraph. Follow the steps to set the paragraph spacing. Select the paragraph before or after you want to change the spacing. Click on the paragraph dialog box launcher button on the home tab. Then paragraph dialog box will open. Select the intent and spacing tab. Enter the required spacing in the before and after spin boxes under the spacing section. Then click OK. Some tips for you students. To set more precise spacing measurement, click on line and paragraph spacing button in the paragraph group under the home tab and select the line spacing from the drop down menu. The paragraph dialog box will appear. Select any specified value for the line spacing and paragraph spacing. Thank you, students.